Learning time series associated event sequence with recurrent point process network. Parametric temporal point process have historically been used to represent a sequence of events. Recurrent point process network which instantly temporal point process modules using temporal recurrent neural networks. In our existing system using neural networks to simulate event dependence without recurring time series. The drawbacks are black box, duration of development, amount of data and the computation expensive. We propose using RNN can decode the observed past events into a hidden state upon which is the subsequent event depend in a sequential fashion, processing each piece of the sequence in turn. The modules are self-existing process, self-correcting process, continuous time Markov chain and so on. The data flow diagram as processing technique to predict the output. Some screenshots are. In conclusion, our deep learning based model can easily capture temporal dynamic of data sets. Extensive experiments showed its better performance in both synthetic and real world data with minimum domain knowledge on our part.